Kiyomizu-dera? Pure Water Monastery is a Buddhist temple located in eastern Kyoto, Japan. The temple was established in 778 during the late Nara period by ancient Shonin, who was a priest from Nara, the capital of Japan, from 710 to 784. He is said to have received a vision telling him to construct the temple next to the Otowa spring. In 798, the shogun Sukunoi Tamurmuro improved the site by including a large hall that was reassembled from the palace of Emperor Kammu, who ruled 781 to 806. The emperor had left Nara to escape the strong influence that the Buddhist monasteries had on the government there. During this period there was a strong rivalry between the Kofukuji and the Kiyomizu-dera temples, and both had influence around the region. Its famous golden pavilion, Kinkaku, actually a pagoda made to house the sacred relics of the Buddha, has given this temple the popular name of Kinkakuji, Temple of the Golden Pavilion. However, the official name of this branch temple of the Rinzai sect Zen Temple of Shokokuji is Rokuoji. The temple was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994. Kiyomizu-dera is best known for its wooden stage that juts out from its main hall, 13 meters above the hillside. The stage affords nice views of the numerous cherry and maple trees below that erupt in a sea of color in spring and fall, as well as of the city of Kyoto in the distance. The main hall, which together with the stage was built without the use of nails, houses the temple's primary object of worship, a small statue of the 11-faced, 1,000-armed cannon. Kiyomizu-dera is located in the foothills of Mount Otowa, part of the Higashiyama mountain range that dominates eastern Kyoto. The main hall has a large veranda, supported by tall pillars, that juts out over the hillside and offers views of the city. Large verandas and main halls were constructed at many popular sites during the Edo period to accommodate large numbers of pilgrims. Beneath the main hall is the Otowa waterfall, where 3 channels of water fall into a pond. Visitors can catch and drink the water, which is believed to have wish-granting powers. There is also the Tenai Meguri, a dark tunnel said to represent the womb of Daijūiku Bosatsu, the Bodhisattva Mahapratisar. Behind Kiyomizu-dera's main hall stands Jishu Shrine, a shrine dedicated to the deity of love and matchmaking. In front of the shrine are 2 stones, placed 18 meters apart. Successfully finding your way from one to the other with your eyes closed is said to bring luck in finding love. You can also have someone guide you from one stone to the other, but that is interpreted to mean that an intermediary will be needed in your love life as well. Other structures on the spacious temple grounds include the Okonoin Hall, which resembles the main hall on a smaller scale and has also a stage. Near the Okonoin are halls dedicated to Shaka Buddha, the historical Buddha, and Amida Buddha, as well as a small hall with nearly 200 stone statues of Jizo, the protector of children and travelers. The 3-storied Koyasu Pagoda stands among the trees in the far southern end of the temple grounds, and a visit is said to bring about an easy and safe childbirth. Around the entrance of Kiyomizu-dera, outside the paid area, stand various other temple buildings, including a vermilion 3-storied pagoda, a repository for sutras, large entrance gates, and the Zuigudo Hall, which is dedicated to Buddha's mother and where against a small entrance fee you can wander the pitch-black basement that symbolize a mother's womb. Part of the fun of visiting Kiyomizu-dera is the approach to the temple along the steep and busy lanes of the atmospheric Higashiyama district. The many shops and restaurants in the area have been catering to tourists and pilgrims for centuries, and products on sale range from local specialties such as pottery, sweets and pickles to the standard set of souvenirs.